Hi, I'm Crystal Maistel. Quinn and I finished week 84 of training together, and this week we worked a lot on reward placement and distractions. We had a great session in the grocery store, and you can see a couple of clips from that. And we also worked on our healing with some sticks. And the sticks are rewards, just to be very clear about that. I'm really proud of her and I'm really proud of us, and I'm happy with where we are in our training. She does such a good job of focusing on me at the grocery store. So now we're just fine tuning to focus on the odor that I'm presenting at the store. Quinn is also officially a German Shedder.
Look at all those floofs.
That's a good girl. This is such a high value. There are treats on the ground. She's actually stepping over them. Yeah!
Good girl. Good girl. Yes, good.
That's my girl. Yes! Square crackers. Yes! Spaghetti. Yes! Graham crackers. That was a good girl. Carry on. Check. Yes! Rice. Check. Yes! Ice cream cone. Whoops. Got a party for that one. Check. Yes! Tea. Check. Yes! Pasta. Carry on. Check. Yes! Square crackers. Yes! Graham crackers. Yes! Rice. Yes, very good girl! Circle crackers, what a good girl! That's a good girl. You work perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Drop. Yes, get it. Yes, that's a good girl. Oh, that's a good girl. Yes, that's a good girl. Yes, there's a good girl.